Sheriff's office with a K9, and out shop now. Send the dog, you will be bit. Shoot hands! Let me shoot hands! Hey! Hey!
Alright, he's hauling us out of here in Somerset. It's a black Chrysler 300, one occupant, black male driver, black sweater.
Both wearing all black. The driver is a black male and a black hoodie.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Cover the woods.
Yep.
Cover the woods.
So I think they're talking about a different car ring.
Clear. All right, AJ.
They ran right up this hill.
Right here.
Alright, I'm gonna push through where they were at. Because I gotta take into effect of him getting back. I don't want him to be carrying him out of here. He's pretty spent right now. Lots.
Hold on. Where we're going to the north side?
Awesome. Why? Good. Still. Let me see your hands. Do it now. Come out with your hands up. Get out your hands up. You're getting dog bit. Still it. Get your hands up. Come out right now. AJ, come over and get control. Live.
Under me. Both hands up. And can tie. You in the back, stop. You up front, stop. Walk to me. Walk to me up front. You stay put. Turn away from me. Turn away from me. Get down on the ground. Actually, nope. Keep coming back. 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 Stop. Get down on the knee.
Keep him hands up. Yes, sir.
Got him?
Yep, got him.
Let me see your hands up over your head. Do not move, you understand? Stand up. Yep, right here. Sit down. Sit down. On your stomach.
Get on your belly and walk. You can? No, you stay where you're at.
Come on. Right here. Lay down on the ground. On the ground. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Lay down on your belly. Now. On your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Cross your feet. Hands above your head. Don't move. Hold them.
Drop it. Do not move. Roll over. Roll up. Roll up. Yeah. All right. Just right here. You stay put.
I don't know if anybody can drive through it. We'll walk them across the other side.
All right.